Didn't get the angle exactly right on that one, but it fits a little better down in here. I'm gonna go get me another piece. I'm gonna have to go down to the woods to get the next one, but I can do that. And then I'll cut it a little different, I think. A little less of an angle. Let's see if we got that one a little closer. I think this pattern's a little different than that pattern. It's probably the right pattern for this piece and that piece. I'm going to take a look. We might use this piece here next. Use this one for that. I thought I'd have to go down the woods and get one, but I had one more. So this time I really do have to go. I'm warming up, though. I think it's a good time to shed a shirt or two. That generally happens around here. I got all these shirts at a thrift store in Hartville. It was like 4 for $1. So I loaded up on them. I mean, I figured, what the heck? Give me a bunch of shirts I can work with, work in, and not have to get dirty my good shirts, you know. There. It started raining again. I'm gonna slide y'all inside here, under the shed, under the shelter a little bit. There you go. Look, I got a couple of cuts that might have been a little deeper or shallower than I wanted them to be. Let's see how it fit in. Well, that actually looks just about right. Put it there. Let's go inside and look. Oh, just for fun.